Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the backup and strategies and operations. We know that how important backup is. So the simplest backup strategy normally the people are using is to just copy every file from the system to some sort of backup medium, that is you can say CD, hard disk or anything. So such kind of backup is called as a full backup. The full backups are themselves are very good for small system, but it is not recommended for big systems, because a full backup is a very time consuming process, and that is the reason why it is not recommended most of the times. Instead of that, we are suggesting some another strategy that we will going to see later on. So backup is what? Why backup is important? Because sometimes we are losing our data due to some reason, and in that case, we want data to be get back in the same and updated manner. So for that sake only, we are taking a backup. Restoring, that is also called as a restoring. Restoring a single file from a large backup, such as a tape or tape archive, can be almost difficult, and it is a tedious process. So we need to think some other measures for the restoring the data, and we need to think about some different sort of backup mediums and backup strategies that will be less time consuming, and they will be very simple. A good backup is always a parameter while taking a backup. A good backup and a recovery scheme identifies when full backup is necessary and when incremental backups are preferred. So what to whom we can call it as a good backup strategy or scheme? Because sometimes we need a full backup, sometimes we need an incremental backup, that is again based on preferable option for the user. Now incremental backups tends to be more frequent, because this is very effective backup strategy, and most of the times we are looking for this strategy. With the incremental backup, we are copying only those files which are changed since the last backup. Therefore, each incremental builds upon previous incremental backup. So we are only backing up the incremental files, and that is less time consuming. Unix uses the concept of backup level to distinguish different kinds of backup. Now we are having a different kinds of backup labels also, concepts of backup level that Unix is going to use. If we are taking a full backup, which is designed or defined as a 0 level backup in Unix, and the other level indicates the files that have been changed since the preceding level, we will go into this level. So suppose we will take example. Suppose on Sunday evening you take a backup that is 0 level backup or full backup you took, and in the next day, that is on the Monday night, again you would perform a level 1 backup, which backup all the files since the level 0 backup. So again we are taking a full backup. On a Tuesday night, again we are repeating this same backup procedure, and that is called as a level 2 backup, which is nothing but the backup of all the files which are changed since the level 1 backup, and so on. Now this is the chart for the backup. On Sunday we are taking a 0 level backup, on a Monday we are taking a level 1 backup, on Tuesday again we are taking level 1 backup. Is upon every previous backup we are taking. For the advantage of this scheme is that it requires only 2 sets of backup medias, and restoring full system from zero level backup and the previous evening's incremental can perform a complete restore. Suppose we are having level 1 backup and we are having a level level 0 backup and level 1 backup. If we are having these two medias with us, we can recover or restore complete backup. But the negative side is that the amount of backup grows through the week and additional media is needed to perform backup. So it is somewhat difficult to maintain. So we are looking for some another backup strategy. So this is a backup strategy, that is on Sunday we are taking a level 0 backup, on Monday level 1, on Tuesday level 2, so on and so forth. The advantage of this backup scheme is that each backup is relatively quick. Also the backup stays relatively small and easy to manage, because we are only taking the incremental things as a backup. But the disadvantage is that it requires 7 set of media, and also you must have to use 7 sets to do complete restore. So in this strategy, actually the disadvantage is that every day we have to use a different media for backup. Zero level backup is backed up on a disk, and level 1 backup is again backed up on another disk. Likewise, for a week we need 7 backup medias, and when we want to restore the information we need all the medias. This is somewhat not recommended, and this is difficult actually. So strategies must be developed that helps administrator to backup and restore the things very easily. Thank you.